Fiji make up 49% of the population, a part of the nation that has quietly contributed to its development for many years, but it has hardly been recognized. This week, Nations Business sheds light on Fiji's unsung heroes who brave the many hardships in life, but continue to find opportunities to help them provide for their families. Today, access to resources such as health, education, business opportunities, information, and freedom of action women need to fulfill their responsibilities has been identified by government and civil societies. It is recognized the world over that women play an important role in any community bearing almost all responsibility. The Roadmap for Democracy and Sustainable Socio-Economic Development 2009 to 2014 sets out government commitments to promote gender equality, empower women, remove inequality.
Yana business ya mai vakadoringo. Siana vi vakasama vivina kai mai vakareta katiku vikito na matentu kito marota kandina. Yana business ingo kautikito na marama kinambula pakan business. Pakan bimbi ni kito na marama itu kitundo waka kitundo warorong tunga ia nango kito redara na songo na Bainimarama kami the women's group kito na marami tau ke mami rawat talenga na karando sakabana bulangi.
In rural areas, women just keep quiet, just do their housework and stay back home. By empowering the women by the government, the women can do plenty things like sewing, like making sweets, chutneys as we do, and other things they can do like Fijian ladies weave baskets and flowers.
My message to other women is just to empower them. You don't have to look down on you. Whether you have a big house or small house, you have cars or don't have cars, at least anything that you know that you can do, that you can earn money from, you do it.
Irangana marama rando wongonga takanga na kanimbula ni mata bobale. Ia do timena kani sarai rambai lebuna rani matentu rame sulme nangalala vaya raunirna kerkereani ra sotabi maina non rangangande maybe bukibira nanonra beleta sa non rambula makatunga melio ia na kai vonga beletini sa kawai na matentu veira mena bukeira mera nira di bakavavina kana nanonra bulli matabubal bakatalanke nambula bakor.
Women must be empowered because they are already performing in their respective homes. And you empower a woman, it's like empowering the whole family because she holds the key to success of the whole family. And she's closer to the babies and children of the family as they grow up. She's also the link between the little ones and the older ones.
The Ministry of Social Welfare, Women and Poverty Alleviation is working towards reducing poverty by empowering families, especially women, through income-generating projects through the guiding principles of the Women's Action Plan for Change, People Charter for Change, Millennium Development Goals.
Most of the programs that are going right now are successful. I must say they are successful. One is at Waikete, the boat for the women, the brush cutter. Poultry has been going on well. That's on meat bird and layers. Even there's one right at Wainimbuka at Ndakuivuna. That's with the fishing pond.
Studies by the department show that women are supported and empowered. All of society's benefits and from the development programs conducted at villages, women are becoming more concerned and attentive to the welfare of their communities and family and are making a change.
This is very great. The ministry has been doing a great job, and this is time for our ladies to be educated.
Firstly, women themselves, because they have the potential to be able to generate an income from their own homes. And that is one of the aims of our program, to provide them with the skills to better the produce that they will use for their economy, for the family's economy, and also provide the markets for them.
Nunggurai ke baka lebu ta kina non ra baka buli dina marama no buni baka ndurin bisnis. Ira marama go rendro lebu na kar kutumai. Beletino ira kana marama kor la kutiko I basa, ira kana marama kor litanga tiko, kor baka ta katiko non rango no merli rawi lavu mikin. Na lebu ngani bisni bi baka tor ta kina buli na kutumai, ya na mai bukir ta kitiko baka baka kina dula. Lebu ira go sarena ra sarena buli ta kana romagen loko na kala lai radula merra kinon rilavu.
Increasing economic opportunities for women is one of the key pillars of the Women's Plan of Action, a 10-year program guiding the government on women development in Fiji. These women are agents of change who have been given an opportunity to take a leading role in running their business and help contribute towards their household income for an improved livelihood.